Cooking is easy when you know what to do. Cooking involves taking the best ingredients and combining them with the best recipes to create culinary masterpieces. Cooking can be done by anyone of any skill level, from beginner to expert. The cooking tips found in this article should be beneficial to anyone. If you are first embarking on a quest to prepare more of your own food, head to the nearest library or bookstore and find a cookbook with simple, basic recipes that you will enjoy preparing. Try making 3 or 4 of the recipes that appeal to you the most, and give yourself plenty of time to perfect your newly acquired skill. You should not boil pasta in water that has oil in it. When you add oil to the water that you are boiling your pasta in, it keeps the sauce from sticking to the pasta. By leaving the oil out, you can toss your pasta in the sauce and it will cling to it. When you are chopping herbs before your meal, a tip that you can follow is to throw a little bit of salt on the chopping board. This will give you extra friction so that you can maximize your cuts. Quality cuts of herbs will lead to a great meal when everything is complete. If you feel that a piece of food you are about to cook does not look right or may be rotten, always err on the side of caution and throw it away. It is better to lose a few dollars than to cost yourself the next couple of weeks from food poisoning. Prepare your ingredients, cookware, and cooking utensils in advance of starting to cook. Your time spent in the kitchen will be greatly reduced, and you will have less chance for error when you do this. Make sure you remember to get the spices you will need ready as well. You can save a lot of money by buying potatoes for your favorite dishes in larger quantities. Make sure you store them in a cool, dark place, preferably in a root cellar. Place them in a crate loosely and keep the storage temperature between 45 and 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid storing them in the refrigerator as they become sweet. Keep track of ingredients when baking. Sometimes, when you are adding a lot of dry ingredients to your mixing bowl, it's easy to lose track. An easy solution to this is to place each ingredient in a different part of the bowl. That way, every dry ingredient you add can be seen and counted. Have you ever wanted to cook a meal using fresh basil? Take the basil and place it in a glass. Fill the container with enough water to cover the stems. This will help to keep it from going bad for quite a few days. Many times the basil will root if the water is changed regularly. Occasionally trim the basil, which will encourage more growth, and you will be able to have the benefits of fresh basil for quite some time. When you are cooking pasta, follow this useful tip. Instead of strictly following the instructions given on the pasta box or package, try cooking the pasta 1 minute less than the time indicated. Then finish off the pasta by cooking it in a pan with sauce for the final minute. Doing so will give the pasta more flavor. Furthermore, cooking is a combination of great ingredients and recipes to create edible works of art. Cooking is accessible to anyone, as it can be done by people of all skill levels. By using the cooking tips found in the article above, you can produce great masterpieces through cooking. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.